YouTube, how you all doing? Doing another oil change on my Toyota Avalon, and this is pretty much if you will, an update video regarding Fram Ultra Synthetic XG9972 oil filter. I know you're hearing all kinds of things about inferior oil filter that's coming from Fram lately, but I took a gamble on this Fram Ultra Synthetic XG9972 for my Toyota Avalon, and 15,000 miles later it held up rather well. Take a look. Did not fall apart, still solid. I'm gonna cut it up so you guys could see. A lot of people think it's gonna fall apart, but take a look. I'm using a lot of force on this thing, but it actually held up pretty well. Let's cut it up. You can cut up this thing. There you go. Look at that. It held up. For you Fram haters out there, this is actually held up really good. It did not fall apart. Look at that. It's in great shape. Fram Ultra Synthetic XG9972 held up really well. Did not fall apart. Take a look at that. That's pretty good. $177,000. Yeah, it's more than 15,000. So it's between 15,000 to 20,000 since my last oil change. So just want to make sure I test the filter real well. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to click subscribe, click that notification bell. Bye for now.